Okay, so you should have, and I did this backwards here, but success criteria is making a list of items you need to do or accomplish in order to succeed in your task. When you imitate a text, you copy the style and the structure. And the job of a mentor text is to provide a model for structure and style. So these are words that you are going to be hearing quite often this year, so you make sure you know what they are. Again, success criteria, how am I going to get there? Imitate, to copy the style or structure, not the words, but how it looks and how it's set up. And then mentor text is provides a model so that I can look off of it and make good choices on my writing. So yesterday, don't forget the success criteria. When you're working on your own author portrait today, it should look something like this, okay? Filled pages, there's barely any blank spots. You are using pictures to pertain to your life, okay? And then when you are using your wording, they are phrases, they're not complete sentences, okay? So don't forget that you're not labeling it like, I'm not just putting coffee or monkey or cigarettes. Like, what does the coffee have to do to your life? What does the monkey, what's the significance to your life? And you'll notice the short phrases: doesn't drink this, petted this, wears Hart Schaffner Mark suits. Okay, so short phrases like that. Don't forget your arrows, okay? You'll notice all these little tiny arrows that point to your picture and describes them. And then make sure that you have many facts about yourself. If you get stuck on something, look at this as your mentor text to think of ideas to put on your own, okay? He has where he's from, his parents, things that he's done, his likes, his education, things that he reads, things that he plays. There's so many different things that you can include on your author portrait yourself. So look at this as a mentor, and what could you add to yours? So in class, this is where I would stop after going as a whole group explaining what today's lesson was. You're going to work on your author portrait, okay, as a small group. Don't forget to get on your software, 20 minutes of that, and don't forget in the book talk part, I will have the last book talks of the YHBA, and then fill out your book talk list, and then don't forget to read for your 20 minutes. So where you can make your portrait, don't forget you can draw it and write just like that portrait is and submit it by taking a picture, or you can get on Google Draw, and this time being that schools looks a little differently with the virtual classes, you can get on Google Draw and insert pictures if you would like. So I'm just going to show this video. If you're like, how do I get on Google Draw and upload pictures and everything else? Mrs. Toller, who is also a nonfiction language arts teacher on Team Wings, is going to show you how to do that. So as she's doing it, you might want to open another tab, okay, at the top here. Just hit the plus sign and open another tab. And then you can get on there and follow along as you're watching this video.
All right, this is how to open a Google Draw, okay? So I'm here at the Perry Township School homepage, and I'm just gonna go up here to my drive. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, it's going to open, and you'll see all my documents and everything come up here, okay? And I'm gonna go over here to New, click on New, and go to More, okay? More, and you're gonna see Google Drawings. So I'm going to click on Google Drawings. Okay. And now I have an untitled drawing. I'm going to go ahead and name it, I'm going to actually spell author portrait correctly, if my computer will keep up with me. Author portrait Toller.
Do not put Toller, put just author portrait is fine.
So if I want to insert an image, I'm going to insert image. I might just do it by search the web. And maybe I really like tennis. So I'm just going to search tennis. Perfect. I'm going to click on it, insert it, and It will go here in just a second. It's huge. Obviously, don't want it to be huge, so I'm going to resize it. Okay, maybe put it over here. All right, and there's a first picture. And let's see, how do I get a text box, right? Here's a text box right here. I'm going to put it right here. And remember, we use short phrases, so I'm just going to put likes this. All right, and I might want to change the text. You guys know how to do that. But we also know we need arrows. So I'm going to go up here to the arrow button, or sorry, this is the arrow button. And I'm going to choose the arrow, and then I'm just going to put an arrow to my picture, and you can format the arrow. Okay, so that's, and then I accidentally did that. That's how you make things in Google Draw. Okay, and it saves automatically in your Drive.
Okay, so if you choose the Google Drawing way, go ahead and get on and start that. If you choose to hand draw it, that's perfectly fine. Just take a picture and you'll upload it. When you are done with your Google Drawing or your author portrait, come back to the videos, come back to this module, and we will end the day.